At least 2 months ago, I was privileged to be among the very first people in Kenya to experience the first dual 4K screen laptop from ASUS. We had limited time to interact with this beautiful, first of its kind device. Until now, a dual screen laptop. What for? Who for? Why for? Where for? How for? From Techweez, I'm Martin Givenji with the ASUS Zenbook Pro Duo unboxing and hands-on review. Let's take it and go. In case you didn't get to see the first impressions video, check out this link and we'll put it down on the description as well. We covered the specs, camera, what's under the engine and ports available with no micro or SD card slot. This time round, we've had the opportunity to use this device for a couple of days, testing it out on conditions that we thought this laptop would be best suited for. Occasionally, we get a revolutionary product in the market, one that sets a standard for the future in development of devices like what the first touchscreen phone did for our era of mobile phones and what ASUS has been doing with their devices. This laptop is one of those game changers. The Zenbook Pro Duo comes with two boxes, one for the power adapter which supports fast charging capable of charging up to 50% from empty in 15 minutes, and the other box comes with the dual screen laptop. It's interesting how ASUS gives you a fun experience right from the unboxing. Look at that. They even have the ego lift on their box. In the box you get the laptop, a manual, because everyone reads manuals so passionately, right? An ASUS pen, and a wrist rest. Ooh, wrist rest. I like the sound of that, especially the fact that I survived saying it and I'm not saying it a third time. This 2.5 kgs aluminum, not aluminum, built laptop is one that will definitely be a head turner if you pull it out in a library or coffee shop or a public bench in the city of Nairobi. But I wouldn't do that if I were you. Once you open the ego lift hinged laptop, you are wowed by the dual 4K displays. The primary LED 15.6-inch screen with slim bezels at 89% screen-to-body ratio has 133% sRGB color, 100,000:1 contrast ratio, and 178 degrees wide view angle, making it one of the best implementations of OLED technology, giving vibrant colors and deep blacks. The second display is the 14-inch LCD panel ASUS calls the ScreenPad Plus, with a matte finish to help get rid of reflections from above and everywhere around. I like that they actually considered and resolved this. So, two screens. Why? First of all, it's so cool because I get max view. Look at that, I'm scrolling from top to bottom. Then there is multitasking, obviously. As we are moving into an era where video production in the digital space is what many people are moving into, this is a laptop of the future today, as ASUS calls it. It offers the most to creatives and individuals who just like to do many things at a time and don't want to walk around with a monitor and a HDMI cable. But if you have one, even better, you will have 3 screens. But for now, 2 is fine, which is more than the one we've had before. I get to edit my video, have the Explorer tab for additional material, watch a YouTube tutorial video and check my messages streaming in, or go through my script all at the same time. When we men are stretched to the limit, yes, we can multitask. An extra amazing feature on the ScreenPad that will help us multitaskers is the task group, where you can preset a group of tasks and switch between the various groups with one click. Also, if you realize you want a window that was on the top part to go to the bottom part, one button and voila, it is done. And there is also a turbo cooling one-touch button for those super intense activities that might end up hitting the laptop. Did I mention that both screens are touch displays? You also get a handwriting app that converts to text when writing using your finger or using the ASUS pen. If you don't have a good handwriting, like some of us, because of getting used to typing more, it does a pretty good job of trying to figure out what you're typing, giving you corrections and suggestions. Speaking of typing, I really enjoyed typing on this keyboard. A full chiclet style keyboard with good travel of around 1.4 millimeters, awesome response time, backlight, and we have something we did not have before in the first video, the palm rest. This aligns itself to the laptop in a pretty nifty way. And no, it's not magnetic, just a plastic textured placement mat next to the laptop with a light reflecting slot. The beauty in the small details. Then you have the ASUS touchpad with numpad on the right, with a very nice shortcut for the calculator. Swipe horizontally, diagonally, or vertically. 2 + 2 is 4, -1 is 3. Quick maths! The touchpad placement might be a bother for anyone left-handed, but you can use a Bluetooth or USB mouse instead. I personally didn't mind it, though it did take a couple of hours to get used to it. 2 things I will definitely not get used to. For starters, how ASUS get their sound engineering to be so good. Amazing audio separation with the speakers on either side, certified by Harman Kardon for that stereo feel. Then there is the amazing infrared camera for very fast Windows login. This is one laptop that in the content creation space, I am really loving. I got to edit a video in Premiere Pro at full resolution, it did not lag, amazing fast render times, and you can export a heavy 10-minute 4K video in around 7 minutes. It then goes without saying that the RTX 2060 6GB graphics card laptop with a Core i9 Intel processor, 1TB HDD and 32GB of RAM can handle gaming of high titles very well. The one thing that I found kind of irksome was how I would accidentally touch the bottom screen from time to time and end up moving the cursor away from what I was working on the top screen. But that's one of the things that fade with time as you get to learn and experience this amazing laptop. I, just like the next tech sucker, love seeing innovation in tech. And I just love how ASUS are always innovating, always trying new things. Now find the price and where to find the Zenbook Pro Duo and local service centers in the description down below. And also, do let us know what you think of this laptop in the comment section. We hope you found this video useful. If you did, then do hit that thumbs up button, share the video, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification icon so you don't miss any updates on your daily consumer tech. Till the next one, we done tech it. Now we go.